Hello YouTube, so today I got this one. It's a soldering iron. It's called TS100. So smart control, sleep mode, alert mode, temperature range between 100 and 400, input voltage 12 to 24, power 17 to 65 volts, and this is what you get inside. Get soldering tip 1, 2, this kind of soldering tip, and this is another one, and you can order more online. They have different kind. This is all they have here. So you have all these things you can order separately. So these are the tips, which is this one right here. And next one, TSBC2, which is this one right here. So these are two. Okay. Ground lead, TSS15. Some tools. Important safety instruction. How to use it. Okay. Stand. Oh, okay. So basically that's it for the box. Let's open this one up. Just a regular box. TS100. Nothing special. Right here you can see that you can use a DC 5525, 12 to 24. Micro USB and power. They told me micro USB is for software upgrade, so firmware upgrade. Okay, so we have this small tool right here. Okay, so let's see if it works. Yeah, worked perfectly. Went inside really easy. So it's not loose, just like that. So now the next thing is just to find a charger, because this thing came without any charger at all. Just this one. That's strange. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and push this bell right here to get notifications when I upload new videos.